There was Polly the parrot, known for mimicking sounds with her vibrant feathers. Charlie the robin, with his red breast, sang the sweetest melodies at dawn. Ella the owl, wise and nocturnal, watched over the woodland creatures at night. The birds gathered daily to share stories and songs, filling the forest with joy. One day, a contest was held to see who could fly the highest in the sky. Polly soared up first, her green and blue wings shining in the sunlight. And winning. They flew back down together, creating a rainbow of feathers as they landed in unity. From that day on, they understood that true happiness came from being together. And so, the birds of the forest continued to fill each day with songs of joy and friendship.